Have you ever wondered if your dog really loves you? Here are 15 signs your dog doesn't love you, even if you think they do. Pay attention to these signs to understand your dog's true feelings. 1. Avoiding eye contact. All right, let's kick things off with eye contact. If your dog avoids eye contact with you, it might be a sign they don't feel comfortable around you. Dogs use eye contact to bond with their humans, and if your dog avoids it, they might not feel the love. Avoiding eye contact can be a sign of submission or fear. If your dog is constantly looking away, it could indicate that they don't trust you or are uncomfortable in your presence. 2. Growling or showing teeth. Moving on to something more intense, growling or showing teeth. If your dog growls or shows teeth when you approach, it's a clear sign of discomfort or fear. This aggressive behavior means they don't trust you or feel safe around you. Growling and showing teeth are ways dogs communicate that they feel threatened or anxious. If your dog is reacting this way towards you, it might mean that your relationship needs work to build trust and security. 3. Refusing to be petted. Now, who doesn't love a good petting session? If your dog refuses to be petted or touched by you, it might be a sign they don't enjoy your company. Dogs who love their owners usually enjoy being petted and touched. If your dog moves away or seems annoyed when you try to pet them, it could mean they don't enjoy your company. Some dogs might be more independent, but consistent refusal of affection, especially when they accept it from others, can indicate a lack of bond. 4. Not coming when called. Let's talk about coming when called. If your dog doesn't come to you when called, it might be a sign they don't feel a strong bond with you. Dogs who love their owners are usually eager to respond when called. Not coming when called can also be a sign of disrespect or disinterest. This could be due to a lack of training or a lack of motivation to be near you, both of which can stem from a weak bond. 5. Indifference when you come home. One of the best feelings is when your dog is excited to see you. But what if they're not? Dogs who don't show excitement when you come home might not be very fond of you. A dog who loves you will usually wag their tail and show happiness when you return. Dogs who are indifferent to your return might not feel a strong connection with you. This excitement is often a clear sign of affection and happiness to see you. 6. Preferring to be alone. If your dog prefers to be alone or spends a lot of time hiding, it might be a sign they don't feel close to you. Dogs who love their owners enjoy being around them. If your dog avoids you, it might be a sign they don't feel close to you. Dogs who seek out alone time or hide might be feeling stressed or uncomfortable in your presence. This behavior can also be a sign of fear or anxiety. 7. Not following you around. If your dog doesn't follow you around the house, it could mean they aren't very attached to you. Dogs who love their owners often follow them from room to room. Following you around is a sign that your dog enjoys your company and feels safer when they are near you. If your dog doesn't do this, it might indicate a lack of attachment or interest. 8. Showing signs of stress. When your dog shows signs of stress or anxiety around you, it's a big red flag. Dogs who love their owners usually feel calm and relaxed around them. If your dog is always anxious, they might not feel safe with you. Signs of stress can include panting, pacing, whining, and avoiding eye contact. Constant stress around you suggests a need for a better, more trusting relationship. 9. Lack of interest in play. Playtime is fun time, right? If your dog doesn't play with you, it might mean they don't find you fun or engaging. Dogs who love their owners usually enjoy playing with them. Playtime is a bonding activity, and a lack of interest in playing with you can indicate that your dog doesn't feel connected or happy around you. 10. Ignoring commands. If your dog ignores your commands or doesn't listen to you, it could be a sign they don't respect or love you. Dogs who love their owners usually try to please them by following commands. Disobedience can be a sign of a lack of respect or a weak bond. Training and positive reinforcement can help improve this relationship aspect. 11. No signs of affection. Affection is key. Dogs who don't show affection, like licking or nuzzling, might not feel close to you. These small acts of affection are common in dogs who love their owners. Affectionate behaviors are ways dogs show their love and attachment. A lack of these behaviors can indicate that your dog doesn't feel emotionally connected to you. 12. Not seeking attention. If your dog doesn't seek your attention or ask for pets, it might be a sign they don't enjoy your company. Dogs who love their owners often seek their attention and enjoy being petted. Seeking attention is a way for dogs to show they enjoy your company and want to interact with you. A lack of this behavior can be a sign of disinterest or discomfort. 13. Preferring others' company. When your dog prefers the company of others over you, it's a clear sign they don't feel very attached to you. Dogs who love their owners usually prefer their company over anyone else's. If your dog consistently chooses to be with other people instead of you, it might indicate that they feel more comfortable and happier with others. 14. Lack of happiness around you. If your dog doesn't seem happy when you're around, it might mean they don't feel close to you. Dogs who love their owners usually show signs of happiness, like wagging their tail or smiling. Happiness is often shown through body language, such as a wagging tail, relaxed posture, and playful behavior. If your dog doesn't exhibit these signs around you, it might mean they don't feel happy or comfortable in your presence. 15. Not sleeping near you. If your dog doesn't sleep near you or in the same room as you, it might mean they don't feel a close bond with you. Dogs who love their owners often want to be close to them, even while sleeping. Sleeping near you is a sign that your dog feels safe and secure in your presence. A lack of this behavior can indicate a weaker bond. If you notice these signs in your dog, it might be time to build a stronger bond with them. Spend more time playing, training, and showing them love and affection. Remember, building a strong bond with your dog takes time and patience. Don't forget to subscribe for more pet tips and visit pettrain.com for all your pet care needs.